Changing your username on Dropbox is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Sign into Dropbox. Go to the Dropbox website and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Profile tab. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Profile tab. This section contains your account information, including your current username. Step 4. Edit your username. Look for the option to edit your username. Click on the Edit button next to your current username, enter your new desired username, and ensure it meets any specified requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You may need to confirm your password to finalize the update. Now your username has been successfully changed on Dropbox. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Dropbox's Help Center for further assistance.